Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a bird feeder using recycled materials. Follow along and see if you can improve on our design. You will need the following: one small plastic bottle, one larger plastic bottle, some string or ribbon, a small pair of sharp scissors, a marker pen, a drawing pin, and 2 sticks. These can be chopsticks like I'm using, 2 pencils or 2 pieces of stick. Anything sturdy will do. And one Samantha or a similar sized assistant. Take your marker pen and draw a small circle about a third of the way up. Do the same on the opposite side. Use your drawing pin to make a small hole and then using the sharp scissors carefully cut the 2 round holes. Do this slowly and take care. Now using your drawing pin, put a small hole directly underneath each of your circular holes. Now very carefully use your scissors to widen that hole. Be incredibly careful, guys. You should now be able to put your stick between the 2 holes, and that provides a perch for the birds when they're eating the seed. Now turn your bottle through 90 degrees and we're going to repeat the process higher up. Just repeat the process, this time your opening should be about 2/3 of the way up the bottle. So mark your circles, mark the dots for the holes and cut out really carefully, just like you did before. Here it is with shortened sticks because they were far too long. Next we need to make something that will stop the rain from getting in and wetting the seeds, because that will just cause them to rot. Take your larger bottle and put a small hole to start you off. Then very carefully, using your sharp scissors, cut around to remove the top of the bottle. You need the top of the bottle for this project, but don't throw away the bottom. We'll use that in a project later this week. Clean the edges of the top of your bottle. You can do this using your scissors really carefully, a piece of sandpaper, the side of a matchbox, or an emery board or something similar. Now we need to create our hanger. Simply put small holes opposite each other at the top of your bottle. Then carefully widen these using your sharp scissors. Again, be really careful, everyone. Take a piece of your string or ribbon. I used about 50 centimetres to give me lots and lots of space to hang, and carefully thread this between the 2 holes. This works best if you put it in through the top hole and let it drop down to the bottom. Of course, you can use a piece of stick or a piece of wire to pull it through, a bit like threading a needle. Once you've got that threaded through, pull the 2 sides so that you've got an equal length on each. Now we need to hold the whole thing together, and to do that you need to modify the top from your large water bottle. Simply put a small hole using your drawing pin, and then very carefully widen this using your scissors. Do this on a piece of scrap wood or on a chopping board, guys. Don't put a hole in your dining table, because you know who'll get blamed. Now it's time to assemble everything. Simply take your bottle, which has now got the hanger, thread your larger bottle lid over the top of that, make sure it's this way up. Now take both ends and thread them through the bottle cap. This is a little bit fiddly, so you might have to widen the hole. Pull that through and then attach the cap to the bottle. You now have a bird feeder with an inbuilt umbrella to keep the rain off your seed. Time to fill it now using nuts, seeds and any suitable dried fruit. As you can see, it's really difficult to fill. So what I'm hoping you guys can do is come up with a suggestion to modify this design, make it more efficient, make it easier to fill, and any other improvements you can think of.